Good day, judges. Hello, Oceans! So, I'm Sahil Kispota from 3rd year BCom D batch, and the attire I'm wearing is a Punjabi outfit with a Patiala salwar, signifying its quality of unisex, comfort, and elegance. Along with that, I'm wearing a Punjabi white kurta, white color signifying purity and simplicity. Upon that, this jacket I'm wearing is a ethnic Punjabi Bhangra outfit, and the kada I'm wearing, it signifies strength, unity, and identity. And I've composed a poem. I'll recite that for you all. It's dedicated to all the students who have come far away from their homes to this college, and also to the final year students who will no longer be here. So it goes like this. It's in Hindi. आया था एक अनजान नगरी में मैं खोए मुसाफिर के तरह, अपनी मंजिल को खोजता हुआ यूं अकेला सा भटका हुआ। अनजान लोग, नई भाषा कहूँ या कहूँ भाषाएं, अपने घर से हजारों मील दूर मैं आ बैठा। इसे मैं कुदरत का खेल कहूँ या अपने माँ बाप की आशाएं। क्या आपने कभी प्यार किया? मैंने भी किया। प्यार क्या है? मैं कहता हूँ प्यार दोस्ती है, दोस्ती ही प्यार है। अरे खुश नसीब है वो लोग जिन्होंने दोस्ती का ये प्याला चखा है, और तकदीर वाला हूँ मैं जिसे ये प्याला चखाया गया है। अरे आया था इस अनजान नगरी में मैं खोए मुसाफिर की तरह, अपनी मंजिल को खोजता हुआ यूं अकेला सा भटका हुआ। आया था इस अनजान नगरी में मैं खोए मुसाफिर की तरह, अपनी मंजिल को खोजता हुआ यूं अकेला सा भटका हुआ। उसी अनजान नगरी में मुझे कुछ अपने मिल गए, या यूं कहूं तो मुझे मेरे कॉलेज के 3 साल के सपने मिल गए। Now I've prepared a bhangra for you all, so kindly cheer up for me.
What do you mean by Patiala? Because I heard Patiala Beg or Patiala Lassi. What do you mean by Patiala?
Patiala is one of the districts in Punjab. So that is the place of origin for the Patiala peg and Patiala salwar.
Oh.
Is it only made in Patiala then? Why specifically that name itself?
Because something is named from the place from it where it's originated. So Patiala is the place where it's originally originated.
Okay, this Punjabi dance has got a lot of energy, right?
Yes.
Where do you get it from?
I get it from the Punjabi lassi which I drink daily.
So even the lassis are you get lassis in big glasses.
Yes sir, it's called a lassi. Lassi glass itself, and it's way too huge than a normal glass.
So whatever you get in Punjab is very huge. Is it that?
That depends. Sir.
Because the energy level, the lassi, everything, even the pants with so much of bell bottom and all those things.
Yes.
Everything is very huge in Punjab.
Yes. Not everything exactly.
So, can you tell some of the festivals that will be celebrated in Punjab and the importance of it.
So one of the festivals celebrated in Punjab recently was Baisakhi. Baisakhi or Vaisakhi you call it. That's the harvest festival like here Yugadi celebrated. Same way the name changes in north, it's Vaisakhi there. And one more festival is Lodi that is celebrated in January.
What is the message you want to give? Because Punjabis are very strong and all those things. What is the message that you want to give?
The only message which I want to give to all the students also the final year freshers, first year freshers who just joined the college, that whenever you get an opportunity, don't hesitate. Even you know or you don't know, just step into it. As there's a quote I'll quote along with, you can't learn to drive in a parked car. You always have to get in the car, move out, then only you'll start to learn some things, learn new things. Thank you.
Next participant, please.